Welcome to the demo for the free PISI Score and analytics dashboards that we offer for all LinkedIn members. You will need to log in using your LinkedIn credentials, and you will be automatically logged out after 2 hours. The Post It Save It app has been approved for API access by LinkedIn. After you log in, you can get your PISI score, or the Post It Save It Index score, by clicking on the Analytics button on the top. This also fetches the last 30 days of your profile data. Your PISI score ranks your recent performance against your lifetime profile performance and give you pointers on what it means for you. You can also access your LinkedIn Analytics dashboard by scrolling lower. You will see various performance trends for your engagements, impressions, and followers on the dashboard. You can toggle the graphs to see each metric individually. The bottom graph shows the distributions for each metric and provides tips on what to replicate and expect moving forward based on pure statistical calculations. Questions? Send us a message.